In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the YouTube error code 15 on an iPhone or Android device. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you're getting error code 15 inside the YouTube app itself, the first thing that you should do is clear that cache. On an iPhone, you can't actually clear a cache directly, so what you're going to want to do is actually just back out, hold down on the app, and then hit remove app, and then reinstall it from the App Store. This is going to refresh that cache automatically, but if you're on an Android, long press on that YouTube app icon and go into your app info section. From here, go into your storage, and then tap clear cache and clear data. Just remember, clearing that data is going to sign you out, so you are going to need to log back in. When you open up YouTube again, you're going to see that that error is gone. If you are still getting that error though, what you're going to want to do is actually make sure that you're not connected to a VPN. This is by far the biggest cause of error code 15. If you're on an iPhone, simply swipe down from the top right, and if you see VPN up at the top, disconnect it from your VPN app. On an Android, swipe down from the top as well, and you're going to see a lock and a VPN. If one is running, disconnect it from that VPN app. Now finally, if you're getting that error in a browser, something like Chrome or Safari for example, what you're going to want to do is hit this little book icon down in the bottom right and go over to your history tab right here and then select the three dots and select clear. Go ahead and select all history and hit clear history right here because this is going to wipe those cookies and site data and then reboot your phone. After restarting, open it up again and this should solve the problem, but that's how you could fix error code 15 on an iPhone or Android device. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.